jumping into the exponential equations, we have x raised to the power of a fraction. And when that happens, what you want to do is you want to get the power by itself. So I want to get this thing by itself. So the power is the base raised to the exponent. So that's what I want to isolate, aka get it on its own. So I need to get rid of this 2 over here, and I'm going to accomplish that by dividing both sides by 2. Okay, and then these 2's over here, we slap them out of there, and we just left with our power. 16 divided by 2 will give me 8 on this side. And now I'm going to prime factorize the 8, so I'm going to convert it into 2 cubed. And then I have to implement a very special method of solving these. So what I'm going to do is raise both sides of the equation to the power of this fraction, but the flipped version of it. So I'm going to flip and raise both sides like so. Okay, so I raise both sides, wrap them in a bracket, and then you see this was 3 over 4, and now I flip it to get 4 over 3, and whatever I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side of the equation. And then we're going to use exponent law 4 to simplify. If I have an exponent raised to another exponent, I'm going to multiply the exponents. So I'm multiplying these fractions as well as this number and this fraction. So if I'm multiplying these two fractions, I can actually cross cancel. So what we're going to do is the 3's over here, we're going to slap them out of there. And then the 4's over here, we're going to clap them out of there, my bro. Everything cancels and you're left with x to the power of 1, which can just be written as x. And now it's the 2's turn to get chiz in your head. Okay, I'm going to convert this 3 into a fraction by putting it over 1. And then these 3's will cancel. So we slap them out of there. And then I'm just left with 2 to the power of 4 on this side. And 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And then just quickly having a look where your 3 marks come from. The method of raising both sides to the reciprocal of this exponent gets you your first mark. Getting x by itself gets you your second mark, and your final answer of 16 gets you the last mark.